Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our topic today is how to distinguish blunt cut hair and natural tip hair, and how to choose a good option for your hair business. Firstly, I will show you guys the two types. The first one is a blunt cut hair. Here is the branched hair natural color with blunt cut. You can see the tail of the hair here. The hair will be cut like this one, and the other type is natural tip hair. We will leave with a natural tip like this one. So question you why we cut it and the other will leave it natural tip. We just make blunt cut or natural tip just because of the request of some our customer. Some customer who want a blunt cut because the tail of the hair are too big thick. But the other one who usually want to leave the natural tip, so the hair will look and natural and their own hair on the head. Some my customer consider about the length of two types. With same inches, natural tip will lose more hair than blunt cut. The answer is not. The quantity of these two types is totally the same, 100 grams per bundle. They also have same good quality. For example, when my customer order 20 inches, we will send exactly 20 inches blunt cut to my customer. Our worker will cut it at 20 inches at exactly length customer order in the invoice. Some of customers don't want blunt cut hair. We will send them natural tip hair. We will make it longer, a little, but than 20 inches to 22 inches. Then customer can cut it by themselves, maybe, or make style like layer for wig. Hopefully, after watching this video, you can select good option for your hair business. With 5 years experience and a wholesale hair supplier, GRUDA Hair guarantees that we can give you anything you require. Christmas is coming and blessing take time, so don't hesitate to contact us now to get good hair with that year.